Welcome guys, this is me, you're watching my YouTube channel. So today in this video we'll talk about how to build a Wix website, because this is my first video. Because in this playlist you can watch my totally video step by step guidance how to create a Wix website for step by step for beginners. And in this video and in this playlist I will create totally playlist according to Wix tutorial step by step for beginners as well as for professional level. And because in this video especially I'll introduce only those who create a Wix website, who want to create a Wix website for business, for online shopping store, for online business, for restaurants, for online services. Because in this video I will totally cover all information to you to create a Wix website, how Wix website works, and how you can grow your business online in the world. Because this is the best platform and the best website developer to an easily developer website developer, because there is no need any coding, especially in this platform and in this especially website builder. So before starting this video, guys, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notification of latest videos. So let's start to the best video. Because the Wix website is the best developer and the 540 million users all around the world in the trust website builder, and a lot of users all over the world, because they are growing their business according to this platform. If you want to create your portfolio, you can create on this website builder, because according to your portfolio, according to your themes, according to your colors, according to design, and there are many designs are available here, and a lot of online shopping online stores design themes, design colors, and many products you can list here, and you can sell out all the world. And especially the CEO of this website builder is very good and it's very easy according to other than the other website developer especially. So you can see your website to grow your business, to your rank your website all over the world, and you can create very easily as they can create according to this website builder. And Wix website is a very trusted website builder all over the world, and many users all the world are trusted according to this website builder. And this is my first video in which I introduced the Wix website, how to build a Wix website for free. And this is totally free, but you will have to purchase your domain for 1 year or 2 year or 3 year. Because in this playlist you can see totally tutorial step by step how to make a Wix website for free. And in my next video will come soon according to Wix website builder, and we will sign up, we will create to design how to design a Wix website for free, and everywhere everything which is SEO and how to create a logo on a Wix website, and every type of video I will create on my channel, and you can